Welcome to K-Tech Tools. Plastic cutter. Here we have a renowned branded plastic cutter. Let's see how they do in our cutting test. First, we'll cut a medium-sized plastic injection. As expected, no problems. Now let's try cutting a larger plastic injection. It's impossible. How about the 5mm iron rod? Don't even mention it. Now here's our K-brand plastic cutter. It can cut through both medium and large plastic injections without a sweat. Ideally, this pair of pliers are only suitable for cutting plastic, but our plastic cutters can even cut thin iron wire as well as iron rods up to 10mm. This pair of pliers can also be a useful tool for electrical jobs, stripping wires and giving it a flush cutting, getting it ready for terminals.